Hi, Pawan. Welcome to this final session. Let's say final. It's a completion session that we are having.
Yes.
It's a completion of our mentorship.
Yeah.
And my favorite line, end of the mentorship, not another relationship, right?
Right.
So, objective is just, if you can share your journey for the viewers who will be watching this, maybe you can start with your introduction and I will take it as it goes.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure. So, hi folks. My name is Pawan Rohra. I am the software engineering manager at the Here Technologies. So basically, here is the location services company. I have almost a decade of experience. I have worked in different domains like investment banks, company like TransUnion Civil, and now Here Technologies. I have worked on different all entire SDLC life cycle like development, QA, DevOps, and it has been amazing journey till now.
Just for the people, because you are going so fast over there and that is your pace. Okay, so that civil, I think everybody knows civil because everybody knows about the civil score, fantabulous place that you work here.
Yes.
I think you work for BMW, right? Your location
Yes.
guides BMW cars in the world.
Yeah.
So I mean, you are an amazing run, I'll say, in terms of the companies and the challenges that you are doing, and your career graph is also fantabulous. We'll talk more about that. So let's just talk about what brought you to Career Accelerators, maybe what made you decide, what was the situation at the point of time, and then you say what you have achieved and what are the experiences.
Sure, sure.
Yeah.
Because I remember, my manager journey started mainly uh, when I almost passed 1 year in the Edelweiss. So it was around 5 to 6 year experience. My manager journey started from there. Then at TransUnion Civil, it was really going great, and here is also at the peak. But I was feeling from last 4 or 5 years, I am the managing my I the applications I'm working on was really great. The journey, all the applications was I made it at a very good position company wise, but I want to go further. But I was not able to get. I am still lacking something that I should move to my upper positions or basically the senior positions. I know I was having potential. I know I have the capability. I can understand the technologies and everything very well, but some part was missing. So I remember while I was scrolling through the Instagram, I saw your ad and the initial description that you had, that are you kind of feel you are stuck somewhere or you are confused how to proceed further, and that ad really struck me, and immediately I tried to reach out to, yes, I want to know further. I want to know how to proceed further with my career. What are the missing bits and pieces that I should work on? I should train myself, and then I reached out to you, and then we had our first call. So my main aim to join this course and to reach to connect with you, basically move ahead to my career.
I know you're a very ambitious person. So just one thing, Pawan. I mean, I was actually also thinking, like, you have 10 years of experience. You became manager at around 5.
Mhm.
You're managers for last 5 years.
Yeah,
Money-wise also you're doing decent.
decent. Yeah.
But you were not satisfied, right? You wanted to get to the top and get to the top. So this ambition, is it like ingrained in you? Always you were like that, or it became something recently or something like that?
But I always have been ambitious.
Ambition.
So I want to do more. I want to do something great. It's always been the aim of my life. I remember when we had our first conversation, it was what you want to do, what you want to achieve in your life, what are your goals. And at that, immediately you got he is an ambitious person, and the main long goal was to invent something or basically to find something meaningful. So yeah, Shikhar, I always have been ambitious, and I want to do something great.
That is very beautiful. That is very beautiful. And why is it so beautiful, so special about you? A lot of people have ambitions. I mean, you're not very unique about that. A lot of people have ambitions. But I'll say maybe 5 to 10% of them are ready to do the necessary work to achieve that ambition, right? Have the grit and determination to reach there. So you were like pretty decisive. I mean, I think in the first call itself, you were pretty clear that you wanted to do that, and there's some logistical issues, but we did it after 1 month or something.
Yeah.
And throughout the mentorship, as I keep on saying multiple times, you have been the ideal personification of a mentee I'll look for. Whatever I say, however I say, you do it. When you say you do it super fast, and I think you got your results super fast within 2 months or 2.5 months or 2 months. I think, yeah, right. So let's talk about the results and then we'll come back to the journey. Okay,
Sure.
so share people what you have achieved.
So yeah, after joining, I joined on the first week of November. I was first of November. Uh, yeah, and by December 2023, last week, I was having a discussion with the another company HR, which was also a really great company. For the we were doing the negotiations.
You're
And
head of engineering position, if I remember, right? In that
yeah,
one.
head of engineering position, correct.
Right. Hmm. Got
So
it.
I was really amazed with the result, the training that you had, all the teachings that you had all worked out. And I remember exactly at my each round the answers that we prepared, because every suggestion, Shikha, that you have given was, I can see, yeah, it actually it is, I mean, it's on, basically it's a reality. It's all the answers were really helping me to give them the correct answers. So Shikha, really thank you for that. It was, I guess, more than me, it was your magic that was really
No, no, no. I mean, of course, the structure is there, but structure is there for everyone, right? But I mean, you did that, and again, it is so that people don't misunderstand. It's not about mugging up certain answers. Of course, you prepare for the interviews and everything, but learning the structure, how to do that,
yes,
right?
yes,
So that is what you have mastered. So because eventually, what you got, again, I mean, that was just the first thing, right?
yeah, yeah,
What do you eventually share that?
yeah.
What is the final result that we got? And
So yeah, unfortunately I didn't join that company, but yeah, so I got lucky. I got the promotion in my own company, which was not due. So there was this IGP position in another team. So I applied for the senior engineering manager role and cleared all the rounds out. Basically, I cleared all the procedure. And yeah, I by then from the next week I would be joining the new team as a senior engineering manager.
congratulations officially here once again. And that is so beautiful because first, you didn't have to change job.
Yes,
It's a great product where you'll be joining. A lot of
yes,
exciting stuff that will be building over there. And monetarily also, whatever we're negotiating in other one, probably you got something
yeah,
similar to that in here in the own company. Why do you need to look out, right? And
yeah,
as far as I remember, it is like a just like a normal external interview. You have to go through multiple rounds
yes,
and clear. It is
correct.
not just because and you're there,
No,
you
no,
know. And for people who are listening, Pawan was not scheduled for any promotion. Nothing was there, but he was ready for the opportunity to appear. There is a beauty of the things. If you're ready, the opportunity appears somehow. I mean, we didn't know there will be IGP coming up, and IGP did come up, and you did apply. You cleared all the ones, which many other people couldn't.
yeah, correct.
So that makes it so super special. Okay,
Yeah, we
so
were ready. Yes, Shikha sir.
yeah, that is the key, Pawan. I mean, you have to be always ready because you never know when the opportunity will knock.
Yeah.
Right?
I remember, Shikha sir, in our connects, you used to always say, "Be prepared, be prepared, be prepared. Opportunity will come. Opportunity will knock at the right time." So yeah, exactly that happened.
Yep, yep. I mean, 3 months before, I think we didn't even would have imagined that that would have happened, right? So that makes it so special. And once again, congratulations. And I mean, your win is extra special for me because you love it when somebody does whatever you say, just like you say. And again, I'm repeating that. Maybe I'm just repeating myself many times, but it makes you feel good.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for that.
So I
Now,
guess more
uh,
than me, it was when it was the structure that you have designed for this program. All the basically whatever the documents that we have learned, that the teachings that you had, you identified what was missing or what was lacking in me, and you guided us, because it's a custom path. It's not a one solution that works for everyone. You work with, I have seen with all other guys also, you create a separate learning path for everyone. So that makes really special, because yeah, I know we can connect with you. We know the whatever you are, whatever the teachings you are doing, it lacks in me, and then it becomes easy to learn, and it becomes easy to basically learn that
yep.
missing.
I mean, as you remember, just some time back, I was saying that every individual is unique. I mean, you are unique in your own special way. You're
Yes.
special in that.
Yeah.
So all you need to do is just to find out what is that specialty in that person
Hmm.
and have it shine.
Correct.
You have it already inside, right? It's just about polishing it, letting the world see that. Anything remember from the journey, Pawan? Anything that you thought was particularly helpful for you? I mean, you of course talked about the plan and everything, but anything else that you remember that you think really helped you?
Some I believe that really helped me is we, in our mindset, we are like this is our strength, this is our weakness. Because in our mindset we are like stubborn, we know this is right, this is wrong, but which can't be the general case. So that mindset, creating that mindset, Shikhar sir, that you really helped me especially, that yeah, you need to get out of this thought process and you need to learn this to further grow, and that actually helped. So Shikhar sir, I really thank you for that.
Got it. Thank you. Thank you. So you're talking about the beliefs and fears, probably, right?
Yes, business and fair
We
problem.
examine those beliefs, and it is not about me telling you what is right or wrong. Probably you discovering for yourself. I was, of course, guiding and maybe showing you the way, but you discovered that for yourself, right? And that is why it is so special, because anybody can come and say anything, right? So, but how do you know that that is the right thing?
Yeah.
But
Yes.
when you discover it for yourself, you know, and you have the mechanism to do that again for future.
Yes.
So that is like, my objective has always been not just about to help you get a job,
Mhm.
but to help you build those capabilities so that you can succeed in the next level. Because that is what is your big vision is, right?
Yes.
And your big vision, I remember. So that is a big, big vision that we need to achieve.
I
And
know,
you,
sir. I can't really thank you for that. The big vision that you helped, and the last discussion that we had for the GIS data. I got what I need to search for, where I need to grow now, and I believe that's what the majority of the people struggle with in their life. Find the correct goal and their right path. And
absolutely,
yeah,
absolutely. Without goal, I mean, it's like just moving in the dark, no?
if
So
I one thing I'm sure, if I'm able to find something in that particular GS domain, you will be the first person I would be contacting you to basically review and do everything.
sure, sure,
Yeah.
definitely. I mean, that is one domain because you have expertise in there. That's a niche domain, and fortunately, I also had some good experience in the GIS domain. So that is kind of it's a good combination for that. So very good, Pawan, and I'm so happy for the journey. So before we wind up, maybe any like last minute advice to people who probably are going through this kind of same challenges, who are ambitious, who want to do the hard work,
Hmm.
but are just not finding the right way, right? So anything that you want to suggest to them? Hmm?
Uh, a mentor changes everything. There are a lot of there are a lot of thought process that's are going in our mind. We really don't know what is right and what is wrong. A mentor comes and will solve all of your problems. And Shikhar, a mentor like you, who have I mean, you have worked yourself in the great companies like Amazon. You have faced the same challenges, you overcome, and you know the correct solutions of it. So I can blindly trust on you, and I can follow the path. So this and even it comes from within that. Yeah, I can give my 100% dedication to my mentor, and that really solves a problem for me and any of the individuals like me. So yeah, Shikhar sir, a mentor like you is like a blessing, and I wish it's the same happens to everyone.
Thank you so much. And just to add on to that, I mean, of course, not necessarily me, but I think the gist of this is that everybody needs a mentor. We need to find the right person who can probably in this career journey, and then yeah, do our bit, right? Thank you, Pawan. I think we can conclude on this. And once again,
So I think I
congratulations.
just want to add one more thing. The colleagues that I got in the entire this batch or this transition, they were also really motivating. I mean, looking at their resumes, you can feel, yeah, man, I'm really working with the great guys who have achieved something in their life, who knows their own stuff, they know their own technologies, they know what work they are doing. So that also really creates a good aura around you and helps you building, because in group we discuss the problem and everyone, the other members also have know they have faced kind of a similar problem. The solution really comes simple. So that is also one of the great thing that happened. The colleagues were really great.
And that is very important. That is why we are so choosy about the people we work with. Because if you surround yourself with people who are probably better than you in some aspect, everybody is special, but say that motivates you to also become better, right?
Mm.
So everybody has, oh, this guy is strong in this, that guy is strong in this, I'm strong. That motivates me to become maybe stronger in those other areas as well.
Yeah,
So it definitely helps. As you have been motivating them, they have been motivating you. So it's
definitely.
always a cross collaboration and a very healthy competition. And
Yes.
I think that really matters. Thank you. Thank you. I'll pass on the compliment to them as well. Okay.
Thank you.
Uh, Thank you, Pawan. And once again, I wish you all the very best for your future.
Thank
and
you.
I know you'll achieve great things in life. And I'm looking forward to that day when I see your name at a top C level in a good company. And I know that day will come very soon. Okay.
And I'm pretty much sure, sir, you would be with me at that very point of time, because I have so many great things to achieve. I have to work so strong, and I need a mentor like you on every step of my life to suggest and guide the things.
Absolutely,
Uh,
man.
yeah. So, Shikhar, I really wish for that.
Thank you. Thank you. Definitely looking forward to that day.